stop, take a breather. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, you all, and trust you all are doing well. Want to give a big shout out to my returning subscribers and to you all tuning in for the first time. Hello, I'm Rox-T Styles, and it's a pleasure meeting you all, and I hope you feel the same way. So fast forward to why we are here. You know, life has been beautiful, making you beautiful, and today I've got a new insight for you to help you stay beautifully on track and walking confidently down the railroad of absolute gorgeousness. We'll be letting you in on a few personal gimmicks on how to make a knotless braids on your ventilated full lace wig. Let me digress a bit by saying beauty is golden, but so is the ability to keep it. Earlier on my previous video that pops on the notification up here, I showed you all on how to ventilate your full lace, you know, and just slay with it on a budget. So once I was done with that video, now in this video I revamped my ventilated full lace for my braided or braiding hair rather to look soft, new and easy to braid on. So I then applied my edge control on the roots of these hairs because I didn't have a jam, you know, just to make it look smooth before I braid on it. I'll show you guys in a minute on how I braided this knotless braid. The root of the hair is looking whitish, but not to bother, just give it time, it goes away. I went ahead to apply my edge control at the root of this hair. I went ahead to part this into 3 parts, and I'm going to braid on it the way you do your braiding hairs. And then I'll go into sections with my sisi hair into this. So I don't know how to explain this, but you guys just watch. So this is the smallest part of the hair. I'll just add this to what I've braided, and then I'll braid on this like twice, and then I'll add up the second sisi braiding hair, which is a bit bigger than the first one I added, and then I'll braid on it as well. So I'm just going to do this like 3 parts, and then I'm going to add up the third one as well, which is bigger than the second and the first one. Many people actually braid on this just once, like braid the root of the hair once, add the first layer, braid on it once, add the second layer, braid on it once, and then the third layer. But I braided on mine like twice before I add each hairs. I think it's depending on your choices, but I do prefer the ones you braid on just once and then you add up the hairs to it. Without talking much, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video, and while you're doing so, please and please, I beg you to help me so I can help you as well with more content. Please watch this video till the end. Do not skip my adverts, please. So like this video if it was helpful, share with your friends and loved ones. Do not forget as well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell just so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much. I love you all. Stay tuned. And so I'll be showing you guys on how to ventilate your baby hairs, how to trim these hairs, and then braid down the roots of these hairs to become equal, and then bleach the lace of the hair with your foundation. This is it for this video, guys. I want to appreciate you all for your time spent in watching this video till the end. I really hope to see you in my next one. Thank you and see you. Bye.